Now students, let's go on with part 3. Their survival rate. Survival rate means their rate of living, their rate of survival. Yes, they all the 150 eggs do not hatch also. Some eggs are stolen, some eggs are broken or this thing damaged. And even when the baby turtles go to the sea, yes, their rate of survival, their living rate is very less, is therefore as low as just 1 or 2 turtles out of 1,000. If 1,000 turtles reach the sea, only 1 or 2 turtles remain alive, because I told you, no, they are faced with lot of dangers. Now what dangers they are faced? Sometimes the fishermen catch them in the net. Sometimes the big animals also eat them. Yes, big sea creatures like the big fishes, sharks and all that. Turtles perform an important function, but turtles also, why are turtles protected? Because they are very important for the environment. They perform an important function. They keep the sea clean. What do? Turtles keep the sea clean. Thus, they occupy an important place in marine ecology. Marine means sea ecology, sea balancing. Considering all these factors and considering all these important points, important factors, it is vital, it is important to undertake their protection on a large scale. And that is why their protection is very, very important. After the success at Velas, yes, I told you they started their camping where at Velas in Ratnagiri. So after their success at Velas, we started implementing. Implementing means starting, carrying on the project in other places too. Within 5 years, the entire coastline, the full coastline of Maharashtra was surveyed. It was surveyed, it was searched, it was studied. Protection was offered in 80 of the villages. How many villages? 80 villages where turtle nests were found. Our strategy was to engage, and their strategy, their plan, yes, very important plan, was to engage those who had so far been involved in stealing the eggs, then to train and involve them in the work of protection. So those villagers who used to steal eggs, eat them, sell them, now they only started helping the volunteers to protect the eggs. Then to train and involve them in the work of protection, we started the Turtle Friends Award. Now Turtle Friend Awards means they started giving awards to the people, to the villagers. Yes, just to motivate them, to encourage them. Kasam Mitra, to encourage more people to be a part of the protection. So if people is to volunteer to protect the turtles and the turtle hatchlings, they were given awards. Camping, a comprehensive booklet. A comprehensive means a collective, total booklet, and a short film on protection of turtles was prepared to spread the message. Yes, the year 2006 saw the beginning of a novel concept. A novel means a very good idea, novel concept, a very best idea. Turtle Festival or Kasam Mahotsav. Yes, Mahotsav. Mahotsav means festival. An opportunity for tourists, and they gave chance to outsiders, tourists, yes, visitors, to witness the unique spectacle, to witness, to see with their own eyes the special sight. Unique means very special sight, spectacle of the hatchlings rushing to the sea. Now students, tell me, every one of us also would like to see small turtles walking and going to the sea. So many of the tourists, especially the animal lovers, paid so much money to see this sight. Okay, A short film on turtles and the natural beauty of Konkan were additional features of the festival. Now, short film on turtles and also additional beauty of the Konkan, the Konkan coast. Now, students, we know the seashore, how beautiful it is, and especially the coconut trees, the jackfruit trees growing. All this adds to the beauty of this particular short film. At the same time, we were quite firm on one issue. They were very strict on one issue. The hatchling should not come to even the slightest harm due to this tourist activity, and no tourist would harm these hatchlings or hold them or take them or catch them. No, the hatchlings means the baby turtles were allowed to go by themselves to the sea. At the same time, the hatchlings should not come to even the slightest harm due to this tourist activity. The tourists were accommodated. Accommodated means they were given to stay. Yes, they were given to live in the homes of the villagers. Villagers provided shelter, means special rooms were made. Now, how when we go to any tourist place, we stay in hotels or we stay in some resorts, or we now your villages. So the villagers only started providing staying facilities for the tourists. The response to this novel concept and the response, the people, the tourists, the animal lovers gave a full support, yes, to this idea of homestay was excellent. It was excellent because it gave an additional income to the villagers. The Turtle Friends Club was established in each village. Yes, Turtle Friend Club. So whenever it was like people used to pay money, go stay for 5 days, 6 days, 8 days, 3 days, whatever their convenience was, and they used to watch these turtles going to the sea. A Turtle Friend Club was established in each village, the members being all the villagers offering homestay. Yes, they used to offer them to stay in their own homes, provide food to them, other facilities. All villages would now offer the same rate for the homestay, and everyone had the same rate. No one used to charge higher or lower, same rate. So it was uniformity. They gave 10%, and 10% of what they earned was given to the Turtle Protection Fund. Okay. The fund would be utilized for the purpose of protection and conservation of turtle. The fund, yes, the fund would be then kept for the protection of the turtles. Okay. For the protection and conservation. Conservation means looking after, because they had to give awards and all that. Modern technology also helped. Now, what is modern technology? Like, for example, internet, putting advertisements on the television, or sending internet messages. Yes, the festival reached all corners of the world. Imagine, people from around the world would come to see this particular festival through the medium of internet and our website. Now they had their own website. People around the world began to contact the small villages of Konkan. More and more villagers came forward to do this work, and number of homestay families went up to 35. Now many of the families started providing homestay facilities, and nearly 35 families provided homestay. As many as 800 people began to visit villas in the turtle season. There was a particular season when these hatchlings would come. This meant more business for the villagers. It was business because they started even selling their like specialty things, like whatever things like cane baskets and other type of novelties. Now they realized that tourism can be a source of income. Tourists bring in money. Now when you go on a holiday, naturally people carry a lot of money and they buy things that they feel is special for that place. And in order to earn that money, it was important to protect the turtle hatchlings. This was conservation of nature through livelihood. It was like a second earning, yes, as extra earning for the villagers. It is true in its true sense. Velas became the project's main success story, and Velas was like a success story. People of the villages in Velas started earning extra income. Over that, they started protecting more turtles so that more tourists could come. Now, students, we will continue in the next lecture. Okay.